Under the setup menu, you also have the ability to configure message templating for a number of different scenarios. Simply select message template from the left-hand side, and you'll see a list of predefined message templates appear. Here we have the examples of an observation reminder, a cardiac surgery discharge, and a test as well. You see the message that will be sent to patients associated with each of these templates, as well as the ability to edit and to delete. By selecting edit, you're able to change the name of the template, the name of the subject that will be displayed to the clinician or a member of the admin team who is sending the message itself, and you can choose where this message applies to. So where a member of the clinical team or an admin member can use this templated functionality. So here we have the option to have it from a compose message, a group message, or a virtual ward. In this instance, we have virtual ward selected, and there's one specific ward that this applies to. Is it a group message? Is it a patient message? Or is it a discharge message? Now, it's important to ensure that the messaging that you want patients to receive is applicable to the scenario. So here, we wouldn't have an observations reminder associated with a discharge message, which is why there's been a separate discharge message created as well. You have the ability to choose files to be able to send to patients with the message as well. So here, if you were discharging a patient, you may wish for them to have a PDF of a number of local resources available to them post-discharge. You simply would select that file, and the patient can receive that information as well. You also have the ability to add a new predefined template message. So simply select the right-hand orange button, give the message a name and list of predefined subject, type out the message, select whether it applies to a composed message, a group message, or a virtual ward. If it's a virtual ward, select which ward it applies to, and whether you want this to be able to be part of the group message functionality from that ward, an individual patient message from that ward, or a discharge message from that ward. If you wish to have the patient receive additional information, then select the attachment that you wish from the local files. Simply select Save, and that will display in your predefined message lists.